Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. And a special welcome again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. First up this evening, it's not over. That assertion from one of the candidates who'd intended to contest the Accompong Maroon elections. Meridie Rowe was reacting to the nomination of the sole contender who has since been ratified as the Maroon Chief, Richard Currie. Janella Precious reports.
Following Friday's nomination, confirmation came Saturday from the Accompong Electoral Committee that Richard Currie is the elected chief of the Maroon town. This in defiance of a court injunction ordering that nomination and election day exercises be put on hold. The legal action was taken by prospective candidates who'd raised the concern about the election process.
Having had the injunction, and more so, a copy served on him, we will be consulting with our attorney at law, Philip Trail and Company, and Monday man for further legal advice as to the way forward. I heard the man news that yes, he acknowledged about the injunction, but he still will proceed. And I know that the High Court, the Supreme Court of this land, is the highest office in this land. Higher than even the Prime Minister's office, so to speak. So it is said that who can hear will feel.
In an interview with TVJ News after he was nominated, Chief Currie described the legal challenge as unfortunate and unfounded. He pointed to the Maroon Constitution, which he argues clearly sets out the process under which an election is to be staged. But for Mr. Rowe,
he set about to set up a private board of elders with persons chosen without any of us knowledge, prospective candidate knowledge, and set them up. Some of them, they are not known to be Maroons either. And they went about and do some numeration. There is no verification.
Currie also questioned Mr. Rowe's legitimacy as a candidate, contending that he has not lived in Accompong for some time.
He fortunate for we to have allowed him to run 5 years ago. He never born there, he don't grow there, he don't go to school there, and he never lived there. He only visit often since he become colonel. But he has no vested interest in the Maroon community. And that's why there was a confrontation between him, a crosstalk between him and the Prime Minister. He want to do his one thing. And we have some legal questions to ask him. Because he's the only colonel ever set up a GoFundMe. We don't know what happened to the money.
As for Mr. Currie's claim that he has done more in 5 years than any other Maroon chief, Mr. Rowe also hit back, pointing to the chief's handling of Hurricane Melissa recovery.
He done nothing. The government of Jamaica began the process of replacing the roof of the people's house burned out. The primary school is a lady from Canada fund the project to cover this primary school as well as the basic school. He done nothing.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.